channel. I am Deepa Sri. So today I am back with another video. I am here to share everything I got in my PR from Nykaa. So it is their pink summer sale. So yes, so I have the bag right here with me. Yes, I really love this bag. You know, I can just fold it and carry anywhere. So loved it. It is the pink summer sale. I think till May 10. Yes, very specifically. So you have a lot of discounts. You have almost 50% discounts from various brands. So yes, you have 50% discounts from various brands, and I am excited to show all of the products that I got in the PR. Yes. So let us see what else we have. So to beat the heat, I have this fan right here. I have a fan here which is very important for your summer. Yes. So let's see what I have. So I have the rechargeable battery. Oh my god, it is pink. Are you kidding me? Yeah, and as usual, I've dropped it. I think it's the charger. Yeah. So it's a pink fan, and obviously it comes with a rechargeable battery. So let me put this, and let's see how it performs. Very nice. I liked it. I think it needs a little bit of charge, and you can also put it on your table. So when you have your power cuts and all, so when you're sweating, you can go carry this anywhere. I wish this was foldable, but I still love it. It's very compact. Yeah. So yeah, you can recharge it. You have the USB wire, and absolutely love it. Yes. So yeah, so this is the first item. I'm gonna keep it right here so that I can take some wind. Yes. And the next item that I have is I have the Nykaa Naturals Rosemary and Natural Derives Niacinamide Sulfate Free Shampoo for advanced hair growth. So I really love this. I've never tried Nykaa shampoos, but I would love to try. But when I'm editing this video right here, I'm gonna let you know. I'm gonna wash my hair and let you know of how I felt this. And the ingredients in this are, so you have obviously it's sulfate free, and you have plant protein, you have silk protein, you have leaf extract. So yes, so you have tea tree, you have rosemary oil. So I think I'm gonna give this a shot and let you guys know of how I felt this shampoo. So this is the next one. I'm really excited to receive this PR, and I think you can all those items that you wanted to try for the longest time during this 50% sale, I think you can just go for it and get them. Yes. And the next item that I have is I have the Herbal Essences Argan Oil Hair Repair Mask. So I have really long and thick hair. So for me, I always need my masking, and I did show in my Nykaa, haul video. So I did show in my Nykaa haul video of how I hogged up on a lot of hair masks. So this is very nice because I will get to try this. Oh my god, the smell is also very nice. So this is from Herbal Essences, and this is their Argan Oil Repair Mask, and this is 99% it is organic. So I'm very excited to try. With my hair length, I think it will come for me only twice. Yes, I'm very excited to try, and yeah, so I will let guys know of how I feel it right here. But I'm a very hair mask girly. Like I mask monthly once to bring in a lot of nourishment in my hair and all of that. Yes, I'm excited to try. So do check out other hair masks. So my favorite are the L'Oreal ones. I'm very excited to try this as well because it's gonna, in summer use a lot of shampoo, and it loses your oils, your hair loses oils. So it's very important to bring it back with any argan oil mask. Argan oil is one of the key ingredients for your hair. So yes, so let's see what else I have. So the next item that I have is a Nykaa Wanderlust fragrance mist. So your hair care is covered with these products because you know that in summer a lot of sweat is accumulated in your hair. So yes, so it beats that. And now I have a fragrance mist, so let's try and see how this is. So it is sealed right now. Anyway, I'm going to open this and let's see. So whenever you are sweating, this is very important because it brings in a lot of moisture, yes, in you. Yeah, again you feel refreshed. So let's see how I feel about this. So this is in strawberry daiquiri, and how do I apply this? It is, yeah. So let's see what are the method of using. Yeah, spray all over your body, avoiding eyes and other sensitive areas. Do not. Okay, so let's see. So this smells exactly like you're in a strawberry farm. Love it. It's very, very, very good. So it may be strong to some of you. So definitely there are other. So definitely there are other variants. So definitely there are other variants which you can definitely check out. So this is the Nykaa Wanderlust range. So I tried different. I think I received in PR only. I did try this. So you can just spray this whenever you're feeling like little bit you're sweating and all of that during the summer. It's very good. Yes. So let's see what's the next item we have. So the next item that I have is, I spoke about this in so many of my videos, that K Beauty is one of my favorite brands in the Indian market. Yes, and her products are amazing. Yes. So we have the K Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Promise. It's the shade Promise, and I'm recently really a lot into mauve. Yes, I'm so much into mauve. So yeah, I am excited to try this, and I am wearing a K Beauty foundation today. I'm wearing a K Beauty concealer today. Yeah, and I use the powder. I'm a dry skin, so I'll use less of loose powder. So I'm using that to, you know, set my eyes today. Yes, so yes, very excited to try. So let me just swatch this shade for you guys. I am really into, you know, nudes right now. I love them. I love to pair them up. I think it's very similar to the one that I'm wearing, and I love to, you know, use them with glosses. So if you're wondering what is the gloss I'm wearing, so I'm wearing the one by Tipsy Beauty. So this definitely has a little bit of plumping. So this definitely has a little bit of plumping. So you will feel a little bit of menthol and itching in your lips. So I'm wearing this today. Yes. So it's very similar to the shade that I'm wearing. So I'm wearing the one by Swiss Beauty. Absolutely love it. Excited to try. So I'm going to put this in all of my lipsticks that I have. Yes. Very excited to try. So I'm going to try that in the next video. And the next product that I have is, oh my god, aren't these so cutie? Like, you know, these blue shades. Yeah. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Very lucky to receive this from the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. Oh my god, it's so cute. So you can also put this on top. So I think I'm gonna take this around. I think it's so cute. It's Instagrammable, and you can take this for your photos. It has the heart shape, like your blue heart shape. Yes, very nice. Love it. Yes. So yeah, very excited to try. So let this be till I show you guys my other products. Yes. And the next one that I have is, this is a Renew. So I have this in my you know, in my washroom. Like, I use this a lot in the daytime. So I am here talking about the Pond's Bright Beauty Spotless with Vitamin B3 face wash. So this is very good. One of the best face washes. Obviously, I love the ones by Face Shop. The rice water is my favorite. But if you have very sensitive skin, you can go for this. Yes. And it has let me see what it has. So if you are, you know, in you're suffering with acne, you know, your sweat acne, and you're wanting a good refresh to your face, yes, so this works like a facial, and it has that foamy texture. So it's a very nice one, and it's good decent amount. Yes. And you have, you know, your glycerine, you have lauric acid and all of that. It has niacinamide, which is very good for acne prone skin. And, you know, as it says, it's very good to, you know, add in a glow to your face. So this is my third or something, I think. And the last one I did purchase. Yes. And yeah, so I got this in the PR. Very excited to try. So always when, you know, so in summer, the key tip is to wash your face regularly, or to have bath regularly, like, you know, because obviously of the sweat that your body is generating. And I sweat a lot on my face in my T-zone. Like, I sweat a lot around my mouth. So always I frequently wash my face around 4 times. Yes. And when I apply a lot of makeup, I add in a lot of scrub as well. Yes. So yeah, and body scrub as well is very important. So I really like the one by McAfee, their coffee body scrub. It adds in an amazing glow. Yes, see what's the next item we have. So yes, so the next item that I have is by Nykaa Skin RX. It is their retinol, advanced retinol wrinkle skin repair serum, and this is my, I think, add-on, because I already use this and I absolutely love it. So I like to use this in the night. So apply this and apply any of your moisturizer or any of the cream. I think your skincare routine in the night should be simple during summer, because, you know, your face can also sweat, and too many products in your face will clog your pores. So I would suggest to go for a simple, you know, simple skincare, like, you know, wash your face and add in a serum, just any of your night creams. Like I like to use the one by Pond's, their Miracle Cream, even the L'Oreal, the glycolic acid one is my the favorite. It adds in a lot of glow to your face. So keep your skincare simple during the summer. Yeah, so this is one of the add-ons, and there are a lot of other in retinol I'm slowly starting in to add into my skincare. Yes, I really like chemical peeling, I like the ordinary range. So yes, so do check out any of the serum which you can hog up in during this sale. Yes. And the next item that I have is I have a couple of makeup. Yes. So yeah, so we have the Lakme Skin Ultimate Collection Perfect Radiance Niacinamide Serum. Yeah, so I really like the one, serums by Lakme. Yeah, of lately I'm really enjoying. Yeah, and I generally like to use a very lightweight formulation serum during the summer. So this is the one. I also have the one, the purple one. Yeah, if anybody uses that, let me know. So I like to use that, and this has an amazing fragrance as well. And yeah, so this is to add in a lot of glow, and I think the quantity size is also very nice. So this particular serum, I think I would like to use it in the daytime. Yeah, when I wash my face after I wake up. Yeah, so it has niacinamide, again very good for your skin, add in a lot of glow. I think summer ingredients are very specifically about that. Yes, and the next item that I have is, this is the Love Child Masaba. Yeah, it is a Mamma Mia Lush Matte Lip Cream. It is the Masaba collection, I think so. And we have the shade. This is the shade. Yes, it's a very browny shade, and like I told you, I'm really into mauve, and I like to apply a lot of eyeshadow, very bright eyeshadow. So I think that time I like to calm down on my lips, and this is very good. Yes, and it's a new formulation that I haven't really tried. And definitely, if you're not in for this color, I would suggest you to check out other colors as well. Yes, and check out how are they. Yeah, love the packaging. A plus on the packaging. This is cocoa butter, HA, nourishing oils. It's a matte lip cream, so obviously it will dry matte on your lips. Yes. See what are the other items we have. Yes. And the next one that we have is, from Tipsy Beauty, the same brand that I showed the lip gloss from. So you have an eyeshadow, and it's a foil eyeshadow. It's in gray shade. Let me see. So in summer, you can go from, I like to experiment with, bright colors like pink, yellow, and all of that. But in daytime, if you're just going out, for some time, you can cut down on your makeup and go for simple, that applies very fast. Like, your foil eyeshadow applies very fast. So yeah, so this is the one. It's a gold one. So you can use any of your blush and quickly just, highlight yourself so that a foil eyeshadow doesn't melt. Then you can also go for a simple matte look. Yes, that is also very good. Yes, so love it, very excited to try. So I'm putting it right here. So this is, like I showed you the gloss, it's from the same brand, the Tipsy Beauty. Yes, yeah, so let's see what else we have. So the next item we have is, obviously, how is a summer haul not complete with a sunscreen. So we have the Nivea Shine Control Instant Mattifying. It has an SPF of 50. So I really love Nivea products. For example, today I'm wearing a Nivea moisturizer, and I've always been a Nivea fan. So yeah, very excited to carry this in my in my pouch, and it is instantly mattifying, so it will not oil you up. It's very good for my oily folks. Yeah, my oily skin folks. And yeah, it's a very tube friendly size. Like, the tube is travel friendly size, so you can check out in the big size, and any of the other sunscreen which you like. If you ask me for a recommendation, I like the one by Lancome. I like the one by Lotus is very good. Lotus Herbals and all of that. Yes, so Nivea is also very good. So if you want to play safe, I would suggest you to go for the brands that you already know. Yes, and the next one that you have is, oh my god, I was very excited to try this when I saw. So it's the Niveda Nourish My Skin. It is a body wash. Obviously, I have been a fan of body wash always, like I spoke about it. I also like the body washes by Nike. I like the favorite are by Palmolive. I also like by Lux. I was feeling very hot, so I turned on the cooler. Yeah, so I, more than AC, I'm a cooler girl. Yes, I like wind. Yes, So I love to use body washes. Like I say, it's very good to have at least twice or thrice, like your bath. Like I love to have a lukewarm water bath or a cold water bath. So I'm very excited to try this new brand. It looks like oil, but I'm definitely sure it will foam up a lot. And it is a oil body wash. Yeah. So I would suggest you to use it a little and see if you are how it's suiting you. So do check out the brand. It's the Niveda. Yeah. And the next one, obviously, you need your sheet mask. So it is the Nykaa Skin Secrets Lemon and Honey for glowing, clear skin. So yeah, a sheet mask any day is the best skincare. Like if you do not have time, my office goers, you can just stick to your sheet mask, like a regular sheet mask, and just stick to that. I think it's very good. Yes, yeah, love it. Yeah, excited to try. I haven't tried this one. Yes, but I really like the Face Shop sheet mask. And the next one that I have is I also got some Elf in the PR. So it's a lip gloss. Like I told you, I'm very much my hair is flying everywhere, so I just turned it off. Yeah. So like I told you, I'm so much into mauve lipstick and a lip gloss right now. So I really love the Elf. Elf Cosmetics is one of the again key signature drugstore brand. So I'm very happy Nykaa launched it in India, and this is their this is their Elf lip plumping gloss. So let me see if there is a shade. This is the mauve lady. Like I told you, mauve is the color right now. Yeah, very excited to try. So I'll just put this here. And the next item that I have is I have from Fruit Fetish. So this is a brand. It is a lip oil. Oh my god, if you are cracking up, your lips are cracking up a lot. I love the packaging of this. This is from Milani, I think so. Yes, and yeah, very excited to try. I got Milani Cosmetics as well in the PR. And yeah, so I'm gonna carry this in my travel bag so that whenever I can take it and go. So do check it out. It's their fruit variant, and this is in the shade Passion Fruit. Yes. So very excited to try. I'm gonna put it right here. And the next item that I have is from Charmasi Milano. I think it's a lipstick. So let's see. I really love the packaging. It gives me like a Chanel vibe, yeah, or a YSL, yes. So let's see what's the one. Oh my god, just look at the packaging. Beautiful. So yes, so is it dual-ended or what is it? It's a mascara. Okay, so I opened it reverse. So it's a mascara, and yeah, very love the packaging, man. Oh, so you have double. It's a double one. Wait, let me just read it out. What is this? This is my first time trying this. Yeah. So this is a true and false mascara. Oh, so you have like if you want to give it that mascara, no mascara look, you can go for this. Really love the packaging, the dual end one. And like I told you, I'm in my other haul that I'm hogging up on a lot of mascaras because that is something that you always need to keep purchasing frequently. Yes, I really love the packaging, so I just put this in my mascara thing. Really like the idea, the double one, the double-sided one. So let's see what else we have. So I really like this bag, so I'm gonna fold it and carry it. Yeah. So the next one that I have is a Lakme 9 to 5. Obviously, you need a foundation to set all the oil or the sweat that your body is generating. So this is in the shade Ivory Cream. So yes, let's open this and see what is the shade. So I'm very sure I hope it's in the yellow family because I have the gold undertones. So yeah, love the packaging. Yeah. So you can definitely carry. See, your Lakme products are very good, and I've always been a fan of them. So yeah, I wish it came with a puff, but it's okay. Yeah, like it. I like it. I wish it came with a puff, to apply. But anyway, I like it. Do we have a puff? Oh, you do have below. Huh. I was like, how did a compact come without a puff? So let's, give this a test and see. Yeah. So I always like to keep the protector so that, it doesn't gather dust on, your hands are dirty. When your hands are dirty, like it doesn't go into the product. So yes, if I open this, yeah. So let's see how does it perform. Like you can see, I am sweating right here. So does it take the oil away? Yeah, it did mattify, right? I'm sweating good. I'm sweating, yeah. Yeah, so I try to apply on my nose. Like I told, my T-zone is very oily. So, yeah, so love it. Yeah. So love it. I'm going to carry this. So whenever you're sweating, you can just apply a little bit of compact and it's going to set you. Compact is very important, like when you're traveling, like, you know, when to do a little bit of touch up. See, where I've applied, I'm not sweating. So it is definitely sweat proof. Yeah, it is withstanding. Yeah. So I like it. So I'm very excited to try. Yes. So I'm going to keep it right here. And what else we have? So I think that's about it, my lovelies. So yeah, that's about it. So yes, that's about it. And this is the Nykaa Pink Summer Sale. So check it out. Yes, let me just wear my glasses to give the outro. So yes, my lovelies, do check out the Nykaa Pink. So yes, my lovelies, do check out the Nykaa Pink Summer Sale. Yes, it's till May 10th. So hog up on everything. You know that we girls have a lot of essentials and we need so many items. Yes, so just go and grab in this 50% sale. Yes, I really love these glasses. These are coming with me. Yes. So yeah, my lovelies, thank you so much. If you watched till the end, I will see you guys in the next video. Yes, so let me know what did you buy in your Nykaa Pink Summer Sale. So yes, I will see you guys in the next video. So until then, this is Deepa bidding a bye. Bye guys.